We often think of beauty as skin deep. However, true beauty runs much deeper. It's intricately connected to our mental and emotional well-being. This powerful connection between our skin and mind is something we're only beginning to fully understand. Our skin is our largest organ, a protective barrier against the outside world. But it's also a reflection of our inner world, our emotions, and our stress levels. When we feel good, our skin often glows. When we're stressed or anxious, our skin can react in a multitude of ways. Understanding this connection is key to achieving true skin wellness. It's not just about what we put on our skin, but also about how we care for our minds and bodies. When we prioritize our mental health, we invest in our skin's health and overall well-being. Stress takes a toll on every system in our body, and our skin is no exception. When we experience stress, our bodies release a hormone called cortisol. While cortisol plays a crucial role in our survival, chronically elevated levels can wreak havoc on our skin. One way cortisol impacts our skin is by increasing oil production. This can lead to clogged pores, breakouts, and exacerbate conditions like acne. Stress also disrupts our skin's barrier function, compromising its ability to retain moisture and protect itself from environmental aggressors. The result? Dryness, sensitivity, inflammation, and even flare-ups of conditions like eczema and psoriasis. Learning to manage stress through techniques like exercise, meditation, and spending time in nature can have a profound impact on the health and appearance of our skin. The relationship between skin and mental health is a two-way street. Just as stress can trigger skin issues, skin problems can significantly impact our mental well-being. Chronic skin conditions like acne, eczema, and psoriasis can be incredibly distressing, leading to feelings of self-consciousness, anxiety, and even depression. The constant discomfort, visibility, and social stigma associated with these conditions can take a toll on self-esteem and body image. This can lead to a vicious cycle where the stress and anxiety caused by the skin condition further exacerbate the problem. It's essential to remember that you are not alone. Millions of people worldwide struggle with skin conditions and their emotional impact. Seeking support from therapists, support groups, or loved ones can provide invaluable coping mechanisms and remind you that your worth extends far beyond the surface of your skin. In a world obsessed with flawlessness, it's easy to fall into the trap of comparing ourselves to unrealistic beauty standards. We're bombarded with images of airbrushed perfection, making it challenging to appreciate our own unique beauty. True beauty, however, lies not in achieving flawlessness, but in embracing our individuality. Our imperfections, scars, and so-called flaws are what make us unique. They tell our stories, mark our journeys, and add depth and character to our being. It's time to shift our focus from striving for unattainable perfection to celebrating the beauty of our natural selves. This means challenging negative self-talk, practicing self-compassion, and focusing on what we love about ourselves, inside and out.